Gentle and natural contouring technique. Contouring is a technique used to subtly and naturally enhance the shape of your features and create a more sculpted look. It is a makeup application technique that uses light and dark colors to create depth and dimension. Contouring is used to shape the face, define the features, and enhance the natural beauty of the face. It is also used to create the illusion of a slimmer face and a more angular jawline. Contouring is not about changing your face, but rather enhancing the shape of the face and emphasizing your natural beauty. It is also a great way to create a more defined look without having to use a lot of makeup. The key to successful contouring is to use the right colors and blend them properly. To contour, you will need a light and a dark shade of foundation or powder. The light shade should be 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, and the dark shade should be 2 shades darker than your skin tone. Apply the light shade of foundation or powder to the areas of your face that you want to highlight. This can include your forehead, the bridge of your nose, your cheekbones, and your chin. The dark shade should be applied to the areas of your face that you want to create shadows. This can include the hollows of your cheeks, your temples, your jawline, and the sides of your nose. Once you have applied the light and dark shades, blend them together using a makeup brush or a beauty blender. Make sure to blend the colors together in circular motions until you have achieved a seamless look. You can also use a highlighter to further enhance your features. Highlighting is a great way to add a bit of shimmer and shine to your look. Contouring is a great way to subtly and naturally enhance the shape of your features and create a more sculpted look. With the right colors and proper blending techniques, you can easily achieve a beautiful and natural look. Contouring is a makeup technique that involves using darker and lighter shades of makeup to create the illusion of defined facial features. While many people associate contouring with heavy, dramatic makeup looks, it's possible to achieve a subtle, natural-looking contour with the right techniques and products. To contour gently and naturally, start by choosing a shade that is only 1 or 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone. This will help to create a subtle shadow effect without looking too dramatic. Apply the darker shade to the areas of the face that you want to contour, such as the hollows of the cheeks, the temples, and the jawline. Use a light hand and blend the product well, making sure that there are no harsh lines or obvious patches of darker makeup. For a more natural look, focus on creating a subtle shadow effect rather than trying to completely reshape your face. To add a natural-looking highlight, choose a shade that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your natural skin tone. Apply this shade to the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, and the cupid's bow. Again, blend the product well to avoid any harsh lines or obvious patches of lighter makeup. When contouring gently and naturally, it's important to use the right tools.